Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Banana puree for baby. Easiest way to make. Banana is one of the tasty and nutritious food options that you can introduce to your baby once he turns 6 months of age. Learn how to make banana puree at home with this easy step-by-step guide. Ingredients required to make banana puree: a ripe banana, 1 medium-sized. Water as required. Breast milk or formula-based milk. Recipe of banana puree for babies. Prepare the banana by washing, peeling, and slicing it. Mix water with some vinegar and wash the banana with it. Washing with vinegar will remove the bacteria. Then wash in cold water. Dry the banana, then peel the skin. Slice the banana into small pieces and discard its ends. Mash the banana. Smooth and squishy texture for the puree is necessary for babies to consume it easily. Take the banana slices and mash them well in a bowl. Add texture or flavor to it. Though the puree tastes pretty good on its own, adding another food item to it can enhance the flavor. Fruits like peach, plum, cherries, or even yogurt are great options to mix the puree with. But you should mix only one fruit or ingredient at a time when making the puree for your baby and mash it well. Things to keep in mind. Use your judgment for the puree texture. The smoother it is, the easier it is for the baby to consume it. Don't offer an entire bowl of puree to your baby. Let him eat a few spoons of the banana puree first. If he likes it, you can increase the quantity gradually. Bananas don't cause constipation. Hence, it is safe to give puree to your baby up to 3 times a week. Ripe bananas are the best for making puree. Not only do they taste better, but they are free from most allergens, too. Banana puree is a healthy and yummy option for babies. But before introducing any food item to your baby, speak to your baby's doctor since he might know of any potential allergy conditions your baby might have.